What's going on, guys? Yeah, my brother here today. Tell him your name, bruh. Yeah, don't bother. That's my sister, guys. Hey, yo, sis. What's up?
Not much.
You want to play Airsoft with us?
What y'all playing?
We got some sort of gun.
What are y'all playing?
We got some sort of gun.
What are y'all playing?
I don't know.
Airsoft. No, I'm not playing Airsoft. Hate Airsoft.
Okay, she doesn't want to play, guys. Come on. Let's go. Wait.
Austin,
The guns
put
are
this
here.
piece on your gun that whenever you aim around, you can do the camera. You can see the camera.
That's a good idea. That's the gun you use. Alright, guys, my brother just gave me a good idea.
Oh my god, dude. My gun is so warm.
He's lucky.
It's out in the sun all night, bro.
How can it be out in the sun all night?
I don't know.
Where's my gun at? I forgot.
I think I know.
Okay. Alright. We're about to start the game.
I don't see him.
I found him, guys. Moving. Okay, I don't think he sees us. Sorry, guys. Didn't know you were fixing to fall there. I want to see something. What's up? Alright, guys, we're moving in.
Hey, and now we're on TV. The front yard is our territory, and the backyard. I mean, yeah.
Back right
And now we're on TV. Now, playing as characters. This is how my character moves. Run.
Shh. Get down. Get down.
Some really tall grass. Come on. Over here. Tall grass.
By the way, guys, if you get hit, there's blood packs under our shirts and they burst. You get hit 6 times and you're down. If you get shot 8 times, you instantly die. I got a guy. I got him. There's a silencer on this one, guys, so it's like really, really quiet. This way. This way.
Here. Are you going to the trail?
I'm going that way.
Oh, no.
No, like Landon, there's an exit right there. Alright, guys, this is where we are. We're headed in there. That's where we're headed.
Awesome. Put it on the back camera.
No, I can't. I can't.
Where we are.
I can't.
Wow.
I already started the video. Come on, man. Go, 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 go. There's bombs going off. They have little airsoft BBs inside of them. Shh. I see the guy with the blue on his head. I got him. He's got blue paint on his head. I got him. He's down. He's down. Clean headshot. Kim Phil. Whew, you guys alright?
Yeah.
It's a little bit crazy. Let's go. We just come out of that woods.
Yeah, we are good.
Yeah, guys, in this airsoft war, we work for the FBI. Let's go. Come on. Get down, get down, get down, get down. Get down. Oh. And guys, when we get shot, we're just supposed to lay there. Oh, shit. Camera got shot. Someone sees us. There's a sniper. Shoot him down. You guys go. This way. Yo, bro, we got troops. We got troops. Get down. I don't know if you guys will be able to see this, but probably not, because they're camouflage. But here we go. Why am I so dark? Anyway, there's guys in there. Oh shit, one of them's right there, right there, right there. I'm gonna get him. My brother's coming up behind me. Because I already started the video. So it doesn't give you the option. Guys, there's going to be 2 parts to this video. And I'm going to upload them both different videos. One's going to be a view of me like this, and then the other one's going to be the other view. Looks like I'm hit. No, my blood packs went off. Hang on, I'm gonna check these. Shit. Got you guys, he's just my brother. I'm hit. I got hit. But none of my blood packs went off, so I'm not dead. Let's put you guys like this. This is a 10-minute video. Once we both get taken out, which will probably be in just a second, we'll start the other half. Shit, there's 4 guys. Shit. They dropped him. Bro. His blood packs went off. Oh, but that probably is too bad for video. Too bloody for YouTube, so can't do it, guys. It's all over his face. Bro. Hey, man. You're out.
Oh no.
Alright. Guys, I gotta win this for the team. But there's 4 guys dead ahead of me.
5.
I'm going to take them.
No, Austin, it's Cowboys. I died.
No, man.
So now I'm on
No.
their team.
Shit. I think I see a sniper. But I can't tell, and I gotta take this guy out. What the hell is he doing behind me? I don't know, but I'm taking this guy in front of me out. Shit! Fuck! Ah. Hit by the sniper, guys. I should have tried to take him. Too bad. Fuck. Well, that's it for this one. Well, there's a part 2, but anyway. See you guys in part 2. Ready?